Hello class 8. Today we are going to start question number 6 of exercise 7. Question is, write a program to input marks in 3 subjects. We are supposed to input marks in 3 subjects and print their sum. So let us write this program. Open the Bruje, new class, type the class name sum, open it, and as we do always, delete all the line. First line will be import line. Import java dot util dot scanner. Okay, public class sum, public static void main, second line of the program, string args. Now create the scanner object, scanner ob equal to new scanner system.in. Now input the marks in 3 subjects. Give message system dot out dot println, enter the first mark int m1 for marks 1, m1 equal to ob dot next int. Now to input second and third line, we can just copy and paste it. Like to enter second marks, these 2 lines can be copied. Click on the copy and paste it. Enter the second mark. Enter the second mark, m2 equal to int m2 equal to ob dot next int. Same way once again. Enter the third mark, m3 equal to int m3 equal to ob dot next int. So we have entered all the 3 marks. Now find the sum. S equal to m1 plus m2 plus m3. Now print it. System dot out dot println sum equal to plus s semicolon. Now close it twice. Program is typed. Compile the program. System m is missing here. Compile the program. No syntax error. Close. Right click. Void main. OK. It is asking enter the first mark. Suppose first mark is 99. Second marks 98. Third marks 88. And sum is 285. Once again check. Right click. Void main. OK. Enter the first marks. Second marks. Third marks. And sum equal to 264. So this was the first program. Now let us see the second one. Question number 7. Write a program to input a number and print the number after increasing it by 100. It is saying to input a number and print the number after increasing. We have to input a number, simply just increase the value of the number by 100 and print the increased number. That's all. So let us do. Class name increase, first line import line java dot util dot scanner. Now just I'm copying the rest part of the program. from the sum. And paste it. Scanner OB equal to new scanner, enter a number. Simply what you have to write here, enter a number. Okay, int n1 n equal to OB dot next int. This part we don't need. Now what you have to do, increase the number by 100 according to question. So n equal to n plus 100. Just so value is increased by 100 and print system out println increased number equal to increased number equal to double quote plus n. Close it, close. That's all. Very simple. We have entered a number according to question. Question was asking to input a number and print the number after increasing it by 100. We have entered a number int n equal to ob dot next int. We have increased the number by 100, n equal to n plus 100, and system out println increase number equal to n. Compile. No syntax error. Close it. Right click. Void main. OK. Just enter a number. Suppose 689. Increase number 789. 100 increased. Again. Enter a number. Suppose 8000. The increased number 8100. So this was question number 7. Now let us see the question number 8. What is question number 8? Question number 8 is write a program to input 3 numbers in variable ABC. It is asking to input 3 numbers in variable ABC and print the sum of A and C. See, sum of first number A and C and product of A and B. Once again, to input 3 numbers in variables A, B, C and print the sum of A and C and product of A and B. So let us write the program. What is it? Open the BlueJ. Class, new class, click on the new class, sum product. Class name, sum product. Sum product. Okay. Sum product, open it. So first we have to enter how many number? 3 numbers. First line, import line. You have to import the Java util package. Otherwise can't use the scanner class for the inputting. Now how many numbers to be input? 3 numbers. So just we are going to do the copy paste from the first program. Enter first number. Enter first number. Int n1. A is there. The int a equal to ob dot next int. Enter second number. Enter second number. Enter second number. Now int b equal to ob dot next int. Now enter third number. Enter third number. Int c equal to ob dot next int. Now what is question is asking? To find the sum of A and C. Find the sum of A and C, A plus C, and to find the product of A and B. The int P for product equal to A asterisk B. Now print sum equal to S and print product. System out println product equal to P. Program is completed. Compile the program. No syntax error. So what was the question? Question was to input 3 numbers A, B, C enter first number int a equal to ob dot next int, enter second number ob equal to next int, enter third number c equal to ob dot next int. Sum of a and c, the int s equal to a plus c, and product of a and b, int p equal to a into b. The system of println sum equal to s and system of println product equal to p. Now let us do the output. Right click, void main, okay, enter the first number. Suppose first number is 10, second number 20, third number 30. Sum equal to 40, 10 plus 20 plus 30, 40, and product equal to 200. Once again, input some other value. First number 11, second number 22, third number 33. Sum equal to 44 and product equal to 242. So in today's class, what we have discussed the programming question number 6, 7 and 8. Please write and practice. Thank you.